What's the meaning of bulb? Bulb. Bulb.
Bulb. Bulb. A bulb typically refers to the spherical or teardrop-shaped glass enclosures found on various types of lighting fixtures. These bulbs contain filaments or other electrically conductive materials which, when charged with electricity, produce light. Bulbs are essential to modern society, providing illumination for homes, offices, and public spaces. LED bulbs have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their energy efficiency and long lifespan. Additionally, the term bulb can also refer to certain types of plants which grow from underground bulbs, such as tulips, daffodils, and lilies.